Openings and closings. Standing. I'm going to have Amanda simply start by observing her breath. Staying connected through her feet. And you'll notice that she's given herself a place on the front and the back of her torso to also observe that breath. We will always come back to a stable breath in between each pattern. Our next is core distal, where we have 6 distal edges, a head, a tail, 2 arms, and 2 legs. This is the sense of the starfish that swims and comes into core. You can think about it as an octopus as well. Breath in. And we open. Feeling the exposed belly. Take a breath in and exhale, and you're going to come into that core. Bring those limbs into core as far as you can. And just rest here for a breath. Take a breath in, and then we're going to open that up one more time. Beautiful. Opening up and coming back to core. However you'd like to come back to place neutral and have a cleansing breath for yourself. Okay, now we're going to move into head-tail. This is a sense that your spine can swim. This can be a very challenging pattern for beginners. Thank you, Amanda, for turning to the side so that we can see that as a diagnosis. All right, here we go. Breath in, and awareness of the head is rising and the tail is sinking at the same time. Now we're going to take a breath in and bring head and tail together toward core. And take a breath and exhale and open. As this is a difficult pattern, let's try this one more time, Amanda. Breath in. All right, so let's try this one more time. Breath in. Awareness of head, awareness of tail. Breath in. As you exhale, come down in. Closing in toward that core. There's a bulbous feeling in the abdominal area when you come to this pattern. Whenever you're ready, you can come out of the pattern. All right, now we have a sense of upper-lower. So we, as conductors, like to work lower first into upper. So a sense of grounding through your feet. And then a sense that you're going to reach up through the upper half of your body. Sinking down to rise up whenever you're ready. Take your time with it. Beautiful execution. Thank you. Let's try that one more time. Thinking about the soles of your feet really taking breath out of and strength out of the floor. Lower. And then reaching upper. And bringing that into core. Let's take a breath here. Now we're going to go into body half, where we want to have a sense of stability on one side. So we're going to start with our stability on our right side. So you want to always imagine that there is a groundedness and a sense of strength and support on this one side. And then we will move in the other side. Closing in, body half. It's like imagining a collapsing X. It's beautiful. Could we try that one more time whenever you're ready? And bringing that in. Beautiful. Let's try stabilizing on the other side. There's a nice flexibility, as we can see that as Amanda's dominant side. Let's try that one more time. Beautiful. Coming out of it on an exhale. Back to place neutral, the beautiful breath. Our last pattern, after one more cleansing breath, is cross lateral, where you consider yourself in a body with layered X. So if you'd model that for us, Amanda. Thank you. Beautiful. Closing into one side and then to the other. And as we come into real closings, we'll pair it with breath. Whenever you're ready, Amanda. Note that the head and tail is sympathetic to the cross-lateral closings and openings. And we're finished. Let's finish out with a nice breath in and out. And as beginners, if you'd like, you could find a place in your body to just simply have that sense of breath, if that's comforting for you. And one more breath in and out.